Hey there, shoppers! Are you ready to embark on a new shopping adventure? Ever get lost in the jungle of online deals? With so many options, it can feel like navigating a maze. AliExpress is like a giant tribal market full of amazing finds. From unique gadgets to stylish fashion, there's something for everyone. But sometimes you gotta track your loot. No worries, tribe. Keeping tabs on your orders is a breeze. I'm here to guide you through every step of the way. Think of me as your personal shopping assistant. Think of me as your trusty sidekick, always ready to help you navigate the vast world of online shopping. We're about to embark on a thrilling quest to uncover the secrets of your order history. Let's see what treasures you've ordered. It's easier than outwitting, outplaying, and outlasting the competition, I promise. Navigating AliExpress is a piece of cake. Ready for this exciting expedition? Let's gear up and get started. Let's dive into the heart of AliExpress. Together, we'll explore all the features and make the most of your shopping experience. Alright, adventurers, with your login powers activated, click on your account name. You'll see a drop-down menu with all sorts of options. Look for my orders. That's our treasure map. Click it and boom! You're staring at a list of all your past AliExpress conquests. Dates, items, prices, it's all there. Feeling proud of all the awesome stuff you've snagged? You've officially conquered the AliExpress jungle. But wait, there's more. Section 4, AliExpress by the numbers. Wowzers, let's dive into some mind-blowing stats. Did you know AliExpress is like a global tribe? It's a melting pot of cultures and shoppers from all over the world. Over 200 million people shop here. That's a massive crowd, all united by their love for shopping. That's like everyone in France, Germany, and Spain combined. Imagine all those people browsing and buying at the same time. Talk about a shopping party. It's like a never-ending festival of deals and discounts. And get this, they sell millions of products every single day. The logistics behind this are simply astounding. From gadgets to clothes to home decor, it's a shopper's paradise. You can find almost anything you need or want. No wonder we love exploring this online jungle. It's like a treasure hunt with endless possibilities. See? I told you it was an adventure. Every click and every purchase is a new discovery waiting to happen. Section 5. Go forth and explore your orders. Well, tribe, our journey ends here. For now, you've learned the secrets of AliExpress order history. Now go forth and track your loot like the savvy shoppers you are. Remember, the jungle of online shopping can be wild. But with these tips, you'll always know where your treasures are. Happy shopping!